let's reset the keyboard dictionary on your iPhone. Now, if you wanted to remove and reset all of those custom words or abbreviations, then you can always reset the dictionary back to factory default. To do that, let's hop into our settings and we will tap on General here and we'll scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now on here you can see Reset, I will tap on that, and midway down is Reset Keyboard Dictionary. So I can tap on that. It'll ask me for the password for my iPhone, so I can enter in my password. And it says this will delete all custom words you have typed on the keyboard, returning the keyboard to factory default. So just hit Reset Dictionary and it will remove all of those. You can always customize it again down the road, but it will remove any of those weird words that have been maybe added into your custom dictionary. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.